Alright guys, so before I start the video, I just want to say thank you guys for the support on the last video. I really appreciate it. Like, it means a lot for me, so really thank you guys. I see the nice comments and everything, so I'm really happy for that. And we even got like 30 subscribers right now and 500 views. You know, I average like 20, so that's nice. And yeah, in this video that I'll show you guys the recap, and my payout finally hit. So, you know, because I requested it Friday, so I couldn't get the money until Monday. So yeah, in this video I'll show you guys. Again, thank you guys, and yeah.
And that's TP right there. Let me just hide my info.
Alright, what's up everyone? So today we made 1k trading Nasdaq in less than 5 minutes. So very easy day, very simple. So I made 1k on my take profit. So I'll show you guys the recap on that, and it's nice to be back in normal market condition. So no tariff, no Trump. Because last week, since it was my first time, you know, experiencing, you know, volatility like that, so it was a little bit harder. But honestly, the strategy was the same. I just had to tweak out a little bit. And my sizing, so normally I am using 25 stop loss for 50 point. But for market condition, when they're like that, I'll just double the sizing, so like that. But the risk is the same. So right now I'm risking 500. I'm slowly growing the account. So like I said, I made 1k today, but I won't request that. I'll let it in. So, you know, soon enough I'll be risking 1k to make 2k, and you know, all that. Before I start, here we have our payout. We finally got it, as I said. So it's 644, but it's USD. So 644 USD to CAD. So around $900, pretty nice. So I did request it on Friday, but because it was the weekend, I got it Monday. Then I had to fill out, you know, tax form and create a Wise account. I didn't have a Wise account. So yeah, right now they send the money to Wise. I just have to wait till it arrives. Then from Wise, send it to my bank account. So that's nice. Okay, so from there, let's do the recap today. Today we had no news. I don't care about one. I'm not even trading. I trade between 9 to 11, so pretty easy. So let's start. My strategy is basically the same, you know, but in trading, just you need to make it simple. Okay, so anyway, this is previous day's high and Asia high too. This is London high, London low, and today I could have been aiming for way more. I could have made, let me check. If I was aiming all the way to London low, I could have made a 9 RR on my trade. But honestly, I just took a 1 to 2 and was done for the day. So that was that. Any gaps? I didn't see any gaps on the 4 hour or the 1 hour, except this one right there. But it didn't matter because it's basically in this line already. So this one. So as we see on the 5 minutes right there, very easy. Everything that I explained is already there. 925, we reject this previous day's high and Asia high. Plus, it's in my timing, so I usually look for trade 930, you know. Yeah, we rejected. From there, I was just waiting for a re-entry. 930, we got it. Risking 25 stop loss for 50. Got my profit instantly. Like, I was done before even 940 today. Very easy. Yeah, that's basically it. as we see right there, 931. Very simple. I don't need to explain anything, you know, guys. It's basic. So yeah, that was very easy. Hopefully we have a nice week. Like I said, this week seems to be better because usually last week I was risking like that, you know. So 50 for 100. But anyway, that was the recap for today. Thank you guys for all the support again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.